Yo, what's really good? It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now today I have something exclusively from Hat Club. You already know the vibes, man. I'm going to go ahead and review this, and I gotta give you some outfit ideas. Stay tuned.
Got me dripping, pink brim when you see me, blue brim when you see me, red brim when you see me. I'm litty, and I be holding down the city. I'm litty, I be holding down the city.
All right, now welcome back, man. So you know what time it is, man. I got my trusty box cutter. You know what time it is, man. We got to go ahead and slice it on down the middle, man. You know, peel back gang, we are still outside with it. We're gonna go ahead and peel it back, and we're gonna go ahead and peel it back, man. Now this joint in this box right here, usually I like to do, you know, 2 or 3 hats at a time, but this joint, it was too much heat, man. Right here we got our packing slip. We have also, yeah, this the one, man. First, we do have Hat Club pin. This is a Hat Club exclusive right here, so it does come with that Hat Club pin. Come on, man. It is time to quit playing. We have the Tampa Bay Devilrays, man. This is the hat I have been waiting for, man. This did come out with a 2-tone, which I believe was like white, and then the bill might have been orange on that one. But this is that yellow and orange, and I had to get it. As soon as I saw it, I had to cop it. Like, it was no question, no doubt about it, because orange is my favorite color, and yellow is actually my 3rd favorite color. I got orange, then red, then yellow. So this was a must cop for me. Now, this is where things get really interesting. Look at the side patch on this joint, man. This is the Tropicana side patch. Tropicana Field, St. Petersburg, Florida. Oh yeah, look at that joint right there, man. Look at the details on this, man. If you already know me, you know I love the large patches, man. And this is definitely a large patch. We do have a flat Batterman logo right here on this joint. Green, orange, you feel me? Got that white in there. This hat right here is just crazy, man. We got an orange button top on this. Orange brim on the bottom. It's only right to have that green on the bottom, man. This was $52. All white sweatband. Let's go ahead and take a look. We have the Cooperstown collection, New Era flag, hat size 7 1/8, and this is made in Bangladesh. So I know you guys remember too. We started off with like a lot of Bangladesh hats. Then we moved into the made in China's. And it looks like we might be getting back to the Bangladesh hats, man. So, man, it's time to throw this joint on the dome. B pause. You feel me? Now look. Now another thing I want you to realize. Look, I got the Cyberpunks on, right? A lot of people is talking crazy about the Cyberpunks, like, oh, I could never rock it. But look, it's all about how you rock it. You gotta coordinate. You see this? Come on, man. You see the side patch shot? It's something light, but it seems heavy though. So let me go ahead and take this joint off, man. Let me go ahead and put this on. Oh, we do have a good fit alert on this. You feel me? Let me go ahead and give you some of this. Let me turn to the side, give you some of that side patch shot. And for this one, since I'm only going to do one hat, I'm going to give you a couple different outfit ideas for this joint, man. So stay tuned. And right here, I have on the Nike woven shorts with the matching Nike t-shirt. The colors go really well with this hat. You got some of that yellow there, you got some of that orange there, and you can't go wrong with the white forces, white socks. I mean, it's just a really good, clean look, and it still allows the hat to be the star of the outfit. And right here, I have on another pair of Nike woven shorts. These are my go-to. Orange really matches that bill very well. And when we have these unique hats, you gotta let the hat stand out. So I went with the white tee with the white forces, and I did throw on some tie-dye socks that I did tie-dye myself. Remember, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.